All right, this is like one of those things that is incredibly frustrating about Google Sheets. I will tell you right now, it is the simplest, stupidest solution. But I use Google Sheets a lot to list things, right? And one of the best things about lists is ordering, like one, two, three. And in Google Docs, there is up here over on the right, like a really easy numbering system, like bulleting. Like instead of bullet points, it's numbers, and it has one dot and then the list item. But in Google Sheets, if you try to do that, you go one dot, it thinks it's 1.0, which is smart because like you don't want to. A dot is not a dot; it's a decimal in Google Sheets. But it's frustrating because now like I have no way to add a dot there. And so this is a really silly way to do it, but it is a way, is I use concat, which is a short version of concatenate. If you use concatenate, you can use as many arguments as you want. But if with concat, you only need two or have two. It's a really simple way to type in concatenate. So we're just doing value one and value two. Value two just happens to be a dot. That's it. And you can add a space too, so that like it adds a little bit of a white space there. And that's it. If you're wondering what the other things on this document are, I have another video about how to do like really cool lists, like with emojis. Hint, hint. Well, that's all. That's everything you need. But yeah, like this is one of those stupid things that I wish Google Sheets had natively, but obviously for obvious reasons and implicit reasons it doesn't. But if you want to create a list and then like screenshot that list and send it to someone, or like just nicely order it, have a nice experience of ordering with numbers, do this. And here's another thing, I put row here. Oh, you can actually do just one if you want to just do one. And see, now everything's one. And then but if you want to like number them, the rows, which like we use rows to say these are the numbers all the time, you can just take out that one and put row parentheses and parentheses, and that gives you a one. And then if you're like, oh, but I have a header, right? Okay, then just go here, row minus one, and now you start on the second row. You have your header here, or order, or rank, whatever you want to do. Boom, you got all of your 999 rows of ranking things right there with concat, row, parentheses, minus one, and then you have to add concatenate to it, quote, a dot or a decimal point. That's how you do it. That's how you get this like cool, not cool, but fun ranking point. And yeah, go see another video.